Fast Jack and John Force's signature. Walt was at the racetrack yesterday. MIR had that national event. NHRA. Big block Chevelle. Unique car. Stick shift. Very nice body and paint on that. Good stuff. Hey, look. It's not a big turnout today at all. We'll shoot what we have. There's our 2008 G8. 69 Chevelle. So it's got 4-speed in it. Pretty neat stuff. It's a late arrival. This Mustang GT. Man, that thing is pretty. This is the 87 and 93 style. Some chrome ponies on it. Gray interior. 5-speed. Sunroof. Mustang GT hatchback. Got a Ford Bronco. A Ford Explorer. A couple of Mustangs. We're actually headed out to another show up at Charlotte Hall. I think a lot of people are probably up there instead of here. But anyway, that'll probably do it for this. Leonardtown Coffee and Cars. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. See everybody on the next one.